What if a few small gadgets could completely upgrade your daily life? From smarter lighting and ultra-powerful cleaning to effortless jar opening and a fully organized charging setup. Today on 10 Gadgets Hub, I'm giving you honest, real-world reviews of 5 highly useful gadgets that actually solve everyday problems. No hype, no fluff, just practical specs, performance, and whether they're truly worth your money. Let's dive in. The wheeled stair lights. These are simple motion sensor lights designed for dark areas like stairs, hallways, and closets. They turn on automatically when movement is detected, which is super helpful at night. The warm white lighting feels soft and not too harsh on the eyes. Installation is easy since they're wireless and stick-on. Battery life is decent, but you'll need to recharge them occasionally. Overall, they're great for safety and convenience, especially in homes with kids or elderly people. The Saker Portable Car Vacuum is a 4-in-1 device that can vacuum, blow, inflate, and pump air, making it more versatile than a typical handheld cleaner. It delivers up to 20,000 pascal suction, which is strong enough for dust, crumbs, and light debris in cars or tight spaces. The cordless design and Type-C charging make it convenient for everyday use, and the built-in LED light helps when cleaning dark corners. In real use, it feels lightweight and easy to handle, especially for quick cleanups. Overall, it's a practical tool for small cleaning tasks rather than a full replacement for a regular vacuum. Multi-device charging station. This 400W charging station is designed for people with multiple devices, offering 10 ports including powerful USB-C outputs. It can charge laptops, phones, tablets, and more at the same time, which helps reduce cable clutter. The included cables and organized layout make it feel clean and efficient. Charging speed is impressive, especially for newer devices. It's a great solution for desks or family charging stations. Electric jar opener. This is built specifically for seniors or anyone with weak grip strength. It automatically adjusts to different jar sizes and opens them with minimal effort. In real use, it works well for most standard jars and saves a lot of frustration. It's especially helpful for people with arthritis. For everyday kitchen use, it's a practical and thoughtful gadget. Govee Smart Plug lets you control appliances remotely using your phone or voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. Setup is straightforward through the app, and you can create schedules or timers for automation. It's useful for lights, fans, or even charging devices. The connectivity is generally stable, though it depends on your Wi-Fi strength. If you're starting with smart home gadgets, this is an easy and affordable entry point. And there you have it. Our list of 5 useful smart home gadgets are Rebel. These gadgets are all about convenience and solving small, everyday problems. If you want to upgrade your home setup, improve organization, or make daily tasks easier, they're definitely worth checking out. Each offers solid value for the price. If any caught your interest, you can find the links in the description to explore them further. Subscribe for more tech updates and stay tuned.